So what did you cook for dinner tonight?
Oh, I'm so glad you asked. Well, for New Year's Eve dinner, I actually brought a chili for everyone that's vegetarian because we have some that don't have meat, which is totally perfect. Because I added, so the chili with the yams to add, the pork to add if you like meat, and burgers to add to the vegetarian chili, okay? So, and then some extra fun stuff. What else? Garlic. Garlic always makes everything taste better. So we brought that as well, and some lime. Believe me, if you like a bit of sweetness or tart in your meals, lime is incredible. Plus, it has a medicinal value. What is it? Vitamin C. Okay, so that's what I brought, and everything is cooked with love and some bone broth. Yeah, that's what I brought. And then on top of that, we have some beautiful wine that was given to us by a guest, and she knows how we love Malbec. Why? If you're going to choose wine at all, you're going to want to have a high altitude type of red wine, and that's Malbec, okay? So Malbec has polyphenols, antioxidants, so you're actually having vitamin W, we call it. But if you have regular wine that's not Malbec and is cheap wine, that's actually not so good. So we always look at something that is healthier version. So we're having wine with everything, and believe it or not, this actually helps also with digestion. Yes, really important. So this is what I cooked for our family and our guests, and it's gonna be beautiful. Thank you for asking. Happy New Year.
And what about the treat?
Well, this time I brought these amazing raisin organic oatmeal cookies that are full of protein.
Whoa.
And super nutritious, and actually a standalone meal on its own.
Oh my
That's
gosh.
what I brought.
Are those homemade?
Of course. Everything made with love and homemade.
Amazing.